Hi everyone, this is Angie from angieexcels.com, and today I'll be covering about index and match. So if you guys have been following me on my blog www.angieexcels.com or in this YouTube channel, you know that I've covered the index and match and explained when should I use it, what is its syntax, and where to find index and match. And you also know that I've covered index and match separately. So if you haven't seen those, go ahead and pause this and click on that card on top where it says index, match, or both index and match video 1/3. Or if you guys just want to see, the scenario 2 of the practice data set, go ahead and watch this video. I'll also be putting on the link up top for the scenario 1 at the end of this video. So when you're done, you can go ahead and go there if you haven't seen it. Okay? So moving on. So here's our practice data set, and with the scenario 1, which is here on practice 1, I've covered how it looks like, when your data set is organized vertically or by column. So in this video, I'll be covering how to use index and match when your data set is organized horizontally or by row. And it's very easy, very simple. It's not that far from the index and match formula when your data is organized vertically. So let's begin. So we'll go to D10, okay, because that's where we want to enter the return value. So equals index, open parenthesis. So the array is the ranges of cell or row where your return value is located. Okay, so in this case, my wanted return value is the phone number. Okay, so I will look for the phone number row, and you see here it's on row 2, and instead of entering 2, in HLOOKUP you have to enter 2. So instead of doing that, instead of counting, I can just select the whole row or select that range of cell where there's information. Okay, then comma, type in match, open parenthesis, lookup value. So lookup value, I'm looking for TK rocks. Okay, so I can type it in, or I can just select TK rocks because the information is there already. And you're probably wondering, why is the lookup value TK rocks? And that's because, for example, if you want to call somebody and you need their phone number, when you go to your cell phone and look for that information, you look for the name of the person, not the phone number right away, right? So your reference is the name, and your wanted return value is the phone number. So your lookup value in this case is the name, okay? Because that's the known reference that you want, right? So for example, if you want to call Papa John's, you actually look for the name Papa John's in your phone number to get their phone number. Okay, does that make sense? Okay, moving on. So lookup value is TK rocks, comma. So your lookup array is where your lookup value is located. Okay, so your lookup value is the name. So your lookup array will be the ranges of cell or row where the name is located. So in this case, it's on row 1, so I can just select the whole thing, or just select the ranges of cells where the information is filled, right? So, and then comma. Okay, in this case, I want an exact match because I want exactly, the phone number of TK Rocks. Just like when you call someone, you don't want to enter a wrong number. That'd be kind of embarrassing. Unless you want to prank someone. I don't know. But anyway, so for the purpose of this video, tutorial, we'll be entering 0. And if you want to learn more about, how to use 1 or -1, I covered that in my index tutorial, on my match tutorial video. So if you want to learn more about that, you can do that after this video, or go ahead and pause this and open up blog 6, which is match. Okay, so moving on, I want an exact match, so I enter 0. Okay, and then I close match with a close parenthesis, and I close the whole formula with another close parenthesis, and then you hit enter, and there you go. There's the phone number. Okay, and we'll do the same thing for the next 3 questions. So the second question is, which city is a Filipino restaurant located? Okay, so enter equals, type in index, open parenthesis. Okay, and my wanted return value is a city, so my array is the city, so I'll select the whole row 4, comma, and then type in match, open parenthesis. Lookup value is the Filipino restaurant, right? So you type that, you can type it in or select it, comma. Lookup array is where it's located, and in this case it's still the name, so just select it, select that whole row, comma. You want exact match, so enter 0, close the match with a close parenthesis, and close index with a close parenthesis, and then hit enter, and there you go. It's located in Washington, D.C. Okay, moving on to question number 3. What is Pro Health is Wealth's address? Okay, so equals, index, open parenthesis. Okay, Pro Health is Wealth, and we want the address. So the address is row number 3. Okay, comma, match, open parenthesis. Your lookup value is Pro Health as well. Select that, comma. So where is Pro Health as well located in this data set? And it looks like it's the name section. So select that whole row, comma. We want an exact match, so you enter 0, close parentheses, close parentheses to close the whole formula. Hit enter, and there you go. Okay, so number 4 equals index. So here, which state is the number 404-456-7891 registered? So our wanted return value is the state. Okay, so state is row number 5, comma, match. Our lookup value is the phone number. Okay, select that, or you can type it in, comma. Lookup array is where is that located? So in this case, the phone number is located on row number 2. Okay, so you just select that instead of counting, right? You can just select the whole thing, comma. We want an exact match, so you enter 0, close match, close index to close the whole formula, and then hit enter. And there you go. It's located in Georgia, where I live. So, as you can see, it's very simple. Once you get the hang of it, it's actually, pretty fast. And unlike HLOOKUP, you don't have to count, where, where is the cell number located at? or where is the city located at. You don't have to count. You just have to look for that row and then just select it. And it's that easy. And one of the things I like about index and match too is that it's dynamic. Like if I add a row, for example, look, it just moves. It doesn't, now the phone number is, oh, sorry. So the city, right? For example, now city is in row 5. See? So here's the city question. So there, it's in row 5. Like my formula did not break, but if I do this with the HLOOKUP won't update. Like I have to, go back to my formula and then update it, count, oh, now it's in row number 5 instead of 4 before, then you have to change the 5 to a 4. So what if you have like 100 formulas similar to that, then it will be time consuming. So that's why I like index and match. Okay? So I hope you guys learned something about index and match, especially with this scenario too. And if you're not subscribed with my blog, please go ahead and go to my website, www.angieexcels.com. I post Excel tutorials every Monday and other things that I've been learning, or professional development articles every last Friday of the month. And I also post on my social media, inspirational quotes and Excel tips every Sunday to Friday. Okay, so please follow me on social media, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. It's free. So I'll see you guys later, and happy learning!